it's me, Anne, from cringeyteenangst, and Hailey. It looks like a going. Ow! It looks like a going. It is filming! Yes, it! Oh, what is it? Oh, it is stupid!
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, guys! That was weird. What's our intro? We don't have one. It was Hi, Welcome to Chili's.
Hi, welcome to Chili's. Oh! Hi, welcome to Chili's. Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Ansleigh from cringeyteenangst and Hailey and our friend Kate.
Why'd you just hit me in the face?
Because I can. So today we're gonna be filming a Halloween get ready with us, and yeah, so this should be fun. This is the spookiest part of the video where you can see my forehead. Mary called, he wants his forehead back. Primer. Can you go away?
That's the teeth, sis.
We're starting with primer. We can roll that in. Now I'm putting on my foundation.
Wow, why'd it get so quiet in here? Someone needs to turn that thing.
No funny!
Okay, so
At Daytona State, they have a beverage scientist. You know what that is?
A bartender?
Yeah, well, he makes beer. You know the
Oh.
beer yourself? I'm like, whoa, there's a
Oh,
beverage
like
for that?
Dylan Sprouse? He has his own brewery. He's a fancy businessman.
We stand.
He's still a legend.
I'm sorry, this video is just gonna be us acting like locals. Excuse me.
I have a question. Can I wear one of your other chokers?
Sure, as long as you guys remember to give them to me.
Okay.
I'm looking at you, Hailey, because you always make off with my stuff. She wore my snapback home, and then she lost it at school, and then it was summer, and I never got it back.
Pretty sure it's in Lost and Found or the ROTC
Well,
room.
could you go look for it?
Could I have
really
time?
like that. You have all the time in the world, honeybee. I don't know why I
I'm
called you
already
pretty.
failing the second 9 weeks.
Have fun at college.
Right.
How are you even gonna make it to college?
I don't know.
I always spank my dough. Who's your daddy?
the new band.
We were going to start a band.
Oh
the
yeah,
freshman year.
remember that? That was...
Calling Calamity.
You guys started a band.
Well, they
She's gonna be
were.
the manager.
Yeah, because I don't have musical talent. I tried to teach myself how to play the ukulele, but it didn't work. I'm using this Milani palette. It's called Smoky Essentials Everyday Eyes Eyeshadow Collection. And I'm taking this contour shade, and I'm gonna put it in my eyeball like this. I don't know where I got an accent from. Oh wait, no, I wanted to do my brows.
White Jays.
Get out of my way.
You good?
Sometimes I worry.
Did I ever tell you? You have a nice nose.
I can't wait.
That was gonna be my birthday. But Mom forgot to get me a cake.
Wait, we don't have a cake?
I did not have a cake. Everyone got mad. Because I said, Mom, where's our cake? She's like, damn. Like,
Man, that shows how much I forget things.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing for my 18th.
We gotta go to the club.
You're not old enough.
We're gonna go.
Hey, can I be?
We gotta get fake IDs. I'm not gonna actually get fake IDs because I don't know where I will get those.
Exactly.
I see all these ghosts around, but I still can't get moved.
It's gonna get spooky.
My new inspiration for this look is the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina because I just watched that and it was really
Oh, that
good.
works.
This video might be long. Cause
Oh my God,
you
you're
idiots can't do your makeup. 'Cause y'all know this.
It's been 21 minutes.
It's been what now? 21 minutes? Oh my god, I'm gonna cry editing this. Doing a black and silver halo eye.
I stand.
We stand a legend. So we're just blending this and then okay, so and then I'm gonna take this brown again and I'm gonna blend it into the corner of my eye so that it's kind of sunken in. And we're just blending all of this around and we're gonna pack some more black on. I like how I just started like doing like a tutorial in the middle.
You're so pretty.
Thanks, Mom. You're welcome, honey.
Quit touching my hair.
Okay, so we have one eye done, and I'm going to contour.
It looks like your jawline.
Well, I'm gonna blend it out. We gonna contour that forehead because it's big.
I want to go to your graduation. Because I'm full. It's $3.
$3.
And
That's a
Mom's
steal.
gonna pay the $3, but then you gotta pay her back the $3. Yes, if you're gonna come. But then you gotta pay her back. I'm pretty sure you have to bring some money because I think we're gonna go out to eat after graduation. Okay, I'm
Mom
gonna
invited me.
Well, I mean, there's gonna be like 40 people just for my family. Look at me, I'm vintage and cool. Sure, well.
I like ponies and my name is Patricia.
Yeah, you can do it yourself.
I know that one.
Yeah, you're probably the smartest one here.
Because
I
you're
mean, I have
still
the
in
highest
school.
education right now.
Stop roasting me.
I was planning on doing an all-nighter and watching like spooky things, but I might give up and go to bed at like 12.
Your eyes are so pretty. Jeez.
Thanks, man.
Oh, you know what the hard part of this is gonna be?
What?
Putting on eyelashes.
You put on eyelashes?
I'm going to try.
Your makeup is like awesome. Like honestly.
She won't listen to me what she should do for her future, but
But I don't want to do makeup on other people because I don't like it. Like professionally.
But you know that you can go on tour with famous people.
And you could also get like paid like a lot of money. But you don't even have to do it on other people. You could just do it on yourself.
For YouTube, I'm gonna be a YouTube star.
Are you gonna pull a James Charles?
Hi,
Maybe.
Hi, sister.
Hey sisters.
Use code James for 10% off.
More like.
Hey, Rollins, it's me, Ansley. Use code ANS for 10% off.
Not really.
Not really, because I'm not cool. Maybe I'll be the next Antonio Garza.
You jealous? I think you should.
This is.
Okay, so I'm gonna hairspray your eyeballs down.
You're gonna what me now?
Ta-da!
Oh my god, yes! Queen!
Sister, yeah.
Ah! Are you okay? Give me your face.
Oh. She's staring at me. Do you love me? Are you riding? Do you never ever leave from beside me? 'Cause I want you. First, let me have. Give me your face. Bring your face towards me. No! This is not gonna work.
You want to get like one of your teeny brushes?
Oh yeah.
You ready? You ready? Close your eyes.
Quit moving.
Yum. No, it did not get into my mouth.
Yummy! Hopefully that'll not look awful.
Really good, really good, really good.
Whoa. I can just see white.
You smell like baby powder.
Well, I'm gonna brush it off. No.
I look like Flashback Mary.
That's okay, it's a look. Your eyelids are so small.
Does that help?
Yes. You're gonna look so beautiful, Hailey. Okay,
Should I do some on my neck? Because they have some on the neck.
if you want to.
Whatever floats your kayak.
Remember when we used to say that all the time? I miss freshman year. That was a fun time.
That's when dark depression.
Oh,
was
so you guys-
bad.
That's when we did hate life.
We just hated school.
But also, I was a dum dum.
Aren't you still dumb? No, I'm kidding.
I mean, yeah, but I wasn't.
I'm
dumb
kidding.
dumb. We were dweebs. Like we were.
Yeah,
shit
we
stars.
were dweebs, and I also was delusional.
You look so freaking cool right now. You have no idea.
She really doesn't because she can't see. Okay. I'm gonna have to touch your eyeball.
Okay.
All I can hear is I just have to touch the eyeball.
Sorry, that was weird.
Just touch her eyeball.
Okay,
Wow.
sorry.
Teens these days. In each other's eyeball.
Wait, should I put highlighter on you?
Yeah.
Dum dum.
I'm the big old dum dum. We stand.
We still dummy. One year we should be hand Montana.
Oh my god.
I was Hannah Montana and Miley Cyrus multiple times when I was younger.
Y'all can still go trick-or-treating.
In some states it is.
That's ridiculous because there are some people who are physically older but mentally they're younger, and like, what is it gonna hurt? A teen's going out getting candy instead of egging people's houses or doing other bad things.
At least
they're not partying and stuff.
Yeah, like getting drunk. They're getting candy.
like, come on, man, free candy. Who's gonna pass up this opportunity? My only fear I have always had about trick or treating is going up saying trick or treat.
Yeah.
I just
I
hate saying
I hate saying that too, because you like go up and you're so embarrassed. You're like,
trick or treat. Like, do you have, like, you know what I'm here for. Just give me the candy.
and then I'm like, sometimes, you know that times when you go up to them sometimes and you don't say it and you just hold out the candy and they're like, what do you say? And I'm like,
Please.
give me candy.
I say please.
I like that laugh.
Okay, so we realized that we didn't end the video because we're dum-dums. So this is Kate's final look, and then mine. I got spiders in my hair, and then her, and then Hailey. We did a vampire bite, but she messed it up with her like tie. And so yeah, that's all.